Hi there! When using File Explorer on Windows, have you noticed there's a size column where the size for each file is shown? However, not for the folders. It's a bit odd, right? Sure, there is one way to find out the size, that is by hovering the cursor on every folder. But we want something better, like that should be easily visible at glance. It makes you wonder why that option isn't available for folders, and is there any way to view them? Well, Microsoft hasn't officially answered to this query, but many of us in the tech community believe that it may lead to performance issues. To show the size of a folder, Windows Explorer would have to scan every file and subfolder on the computer at a reasonable speed. And if there are subfolders, it would take a very long time. This process of constantly updating the size of every folder will surely slow down the File Explorer no matter how powerful the computer is. It's definitely frustrating. However, as a community, we can all add a request to Microsoft and hope the developers find a way to solve it. In the meantime, you can try out a third-party app called Windhawk, an open source program that allows you to customize your windows however the way you like. In the app, head to Explore tab and search for the mod called Better File Sizes in Explorer Details. Install this. Go to the mod settings and under Show Folder Sizes, select the third option to enable and calculate manually. Save your setting and open Task Manager. Under Processes, right-click and select Restart on Windows Explorer. Open the File Explorer and you will now start seeing the size column filled in for all your folders and files. Just keep in mind that the major or feature updates to Windows may break this feature, so it's a good idea to check for updates from the developer of the mod about once a month to keep everything running smoothly. Wasn't that simple and quick? If you like this trick, be sure to check out my tutorial playlist in the top right corner of the video, or consider exploring other videos on my channel that may catch your interest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.